guys, we're out here outside of Clinton, Pennsylvania at the Wildflower Reserve. And I know it's a little late in the year, but Ryan was like, no, let's go stop. Let's go check it out.
I think they are all dead, but we're going to walk around.
Look at Joe Pie. His heads are dead. But we're going to look at it around anyway and check it out.
Yes, it's very fallish around here. The leaves are crunchy and everything.
I can almost hear airplanes.
Nope. Them's big airplanes.
Okay.
Yep. Hey, hang on a second. Just hang on 1 second.
Okay. Can we see it?
I was gonna turn us all the way around so that you could see it in the background.
Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't epically done. Anyway, let's go check it out. Here's the fields of Joe Pie. Now Ryan's gonna have to tell me all these, except for Joe. I know Joe. And what's this?
Fun. Those are fun. Funny little fuzzy bean pods.
Is that the technical? Is that the scientific name?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, no.
Okay.
There's no sun, so that's all you get.
Okay.
Bean pods.
There you go. Let's see.
314 acres. We can't do all that.
700 species. Well, this is definitely going to be something cool in the spring. With the ephemeral wildflower season, stuff like that. These things. Just a nice natural area. There's the old. You want to do the old wagon trail? Do you want to go into the building?
Well, let's
go down
through the pie field.
Go by. Let's go down Joe Pie.
There's a compost pile we could check out. Yeehaw!
Mm-hmm.
Wow, Paul, these is big, tall.
Yeah. Big fields of Joe Pie.
This would be really fun. This would be really fun when they were bloom and bloom.
Mm-hmm.
This is fun. It's like a
Maze.
Nice a little labyrinth of wildflowers. This is. Hang on, I will need photos.
Oh, she will require a photo. Oh, we'll get the bugs going, the butterflies. Look at that. Look at that golden field in there. The goldenrod. See? Well, you don't know what you're going to find. She loves her new camera. She's trying her new camera. Her new phone. Samsung 2028, I don't know. 25. Ultra combo. Ultimate combo. No, I don't know. I just felt something on mine.
These are thorny. Don't fall into those.
Yeah, they look thorny.
They are. I see the thorn.
Got the... Oh, these are the ones with the... No? I thought those were goldenrod or something over there, but are they not?
No, I think they are.
Okay, because they're mixed in with the thorny ones, I think.
Big puppy.
Tall.
Very tall. Ooh, a purple.
Ooh, they're pretty. Let's see. To get the focus. There you go. They are pretty. Spider web. Getting the pollen. Yeah, this is ridiculously tall. What? No way. Wow. Okay. Wrap around here. Pileated woodpecker. Woohoo. Good stop.
Cherry tree.
Cherries. Yeah, there's cherries. You can still see the cherries on the tree. A little adventure through the Joe Pye fields. The Joe Pye maze. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what you got all over you. You didn't get that many. You'll be alright. Yeah, once you get that patch, they're done.
What do you guys call them? I call them boogers.
What do they call them? Oh,
Jiggers?
Jiggers, yeah.
Stickers?
Stickers and jiggers, yep.
I call them boogers.
Boogers.
Yep.
Sun's getting hot.
Yes, the scout is here.
Yep. It's the last day of summer today, and it is making it worth it.
Come on, right here.
Black-eyed Susans. Yep. It's actually the hottest day.
Yarrow.
Yarrow. It's all dried.
Cactus.
Oh, look at the cacti.
A little sad.
Oh, it's been dry,
Uh-huh.
and it is the end of
hot
summer.
right now.
Yeah, it's very hot right now. This is the hottest day of the last 2 weeks. It's 86, just 87 degrees. It really hasn't been that hot lately. Is that fennel? Some fennel down there or something?
Yarrow.
Yarrow. Black-eyed Susans. Well, let's go see the pollinators of the bats. I like when they have these things, so let's check it out. You can pause your screen and check this out. Here's another one. So these are for bats. Cool. Did not know that. Ryan's left me, so I gotta go find her. Ooh, yeah, he's all there's, oh, that one isn't. Yeah. There you go, there's some mushrooms. Life persists. They find a way. They're continuing. The mushrooms are going. Nice. All right.
There's a honeybee yard.
Honeybee yard over there?
That's what it says.
Oh, that's for the honeybees. Get out of their yard, right? All right.
Oh, these are pretty. Were. Oh, maybe you could still see it. Can you still see these ones up here? Can you get a picture of this one?
Yeah, sure.
Or maybe this one? Here's one that's kind of open.
Mm-hmm.
A little too far open, but that one still has some good yellow on it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're so tall. Yay, I want to see it later.
Okay, good. Yeah, you'll have to watch our video. All right, cool. Nice little walk around. Yeah, so that was a little quick trip through the Joe Pye fields at the Wildflower Reserve outside of Clinton, Pennsylvania, Raccoon Creek State Park. like I said, Ryan was definitely saying, yeah, we should come back next year earlier and get a map and swim some water and really try to walk a lot of it. So she likes her flowers. So.
I mean, it's got a bunch of species. So.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you can come in a little bit earlier. You know, maybe late spring would be the time, I think. Then you get the mushrooms too. Find the mushrooms because there's a lot of natural areas around this area we've been checking out that are pretty fun. Raccoon Creek's campground being one of them as well. So, and if you love planes, definitely the place to be. So, anyway, this has been Paul.
Ryan.
Walking back to Marge, having a good time exploring around western Pennsylvania. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Boom.